Hello everyone, audible to all? Okay, that's good. So, can anyone please tell me how many members after completing yesterday's session uh, tried to talk with ChatGPT or Google about whatever we have been explored? Just reply your thoughts. Okay, Sumit, that's good. What about others? Anyone else who would explore about the topics of yesterday that we have been learned apart from Sumit and Sukanya? Please reply in the chat. Okay, transfer learning. Okay, Muku, that's good. Created the API using created the API token using OpenAI. That's good. Good. Anyone else? No one? Okay, no issue. Let's wait for few 1 or 2 minutes types of ML. That's good. Anyone have any doubts? So we can explore it. Okay, that's good. Anyone have any doubt? Whatever they have been explored. Yes, I have. When I'm trying hit the token Pandas AI, I'm trying to use OpenAI API. Okay, that's good. Okay, so most of the people are have been tried. Okay, so today and one more thing, if the this whole workshop will be not complete in the next 3 days, then we can continue it. Okay, and like tomorrow is the last day. So what we can do. 1 second. Okay, what we can do, tomorrow is the last day, so we will end this workshop like any kind of like assignment. Then you guys please work on that assignment, and after that, from next week, again from Friday, Saturday and Sunday, we'll take one more session. Okay, 3 days, and we'll explore the more about the things on, as I promise you in as I promise you guys yesterday about the POC. So we will work on that part as well. Okay. So I think, yeah, not more than that are coming. So no issue. We are recording that thing. So yeah, we are going to do. We are going to start. Let me share my screen. Let me know once it's visible. So yeah, I think here it is. Yeah, visible to everyone. Okay, that's great. Oh, that's great. 15 yesterday was the 15 people, today is also the 15 people. So that is the consistency that we should make. Okay. Because here I'm looking for the quality members, not the quantity members. Okay. I don't want like 100 people and doing nothing, just sitting and just putting the things here and there. Okay, time pass. No. Okay. Quality much better. Okay. So now, let me open one document is there I have. So let me open that one. So that will be good enough. Yeah, here it is. So how's the things has been started for the Gen AI? Okay. So let me just zoom in. Okay. Yeah. So you can see the image. 1950 rule-based system or data processing was there, then machine learning, then neural network, then transformers, then GPT and BERT. So this is a transaction or evolution that we have been noticed at the starting when the computers has been come. So they are using simple rule based list of the rules. If you are working on any email classification problem, then you have a particular rules, you have a particular examples. Okay, if you will if email will consist this set of the words or the tokens, okay, in the particular email, then we will classify them as a spam. If not, then we will classify them as a non-spam. This is a rule base. After that, machine learning comes into the picture. They start building the model, then neural network, then transformers. So what is a transformer? Transformer is like the architecture that has been there. Okay, that has been there by the Google. Okay, what it is, like what actually happened, like neural network has been come, then there are a lot of the neural network has been come into the market. Like for the computer vision, we have CNN. For the NLP, we have the RNN. Then we have GANN for the particular use case. But what has been coming by the Google, which is attention is all you need, which is in the transformer. Okay, and with the help of this transformer logic, the new pre-trained model has been come into the market, which is BERT. I think this is the one that is not very much popular because that has been come into the market. Okay, and no one just giving the good amount of the response and all these things. Companies are using in like in the like companies are using in house, but there's no much like popularity that we are getting nowadays with the GPT. Okay, so then the GPT was there 2018. Okay, so this is the image that you can relate it. Okay, now let's come to the here. Okay, now this is a three easy pieces, but okay, you already seen but by Google. T5, I don't remember that's name. Okay, GPT again, OpenAI. Okay, so this is again everyone, this all things has been on transformers. So transformers is a architecture, is a like approach that has been derived by the big companies. So if you go on the Google and type like transformers in deep learning, so see what you will get. It's generating the answer. So transformer are the type of the deep learning model that are used for the computer vision and natural processing task. Okay, so this is not the special one that can be used for only computer vision, only for the NLP. No, it can be used for anything, NLP as well as the computer vision. So transformer use a mechanism called self attention to process the sequential input data. Okay, so we are not going to be deeper into it, but you should understand, you should understand that the chat GPT is based on a large language model or large model that we have been studied yesterday. Okay, but which is based on the transformer, and transformer is the core thing that the every model currently is building on. Okay, till now I think it will be clear. Now move forward. Okay, so here the everything. So you can see this is a three piece. See, but 2019, okay, 110 110 million parameters, 15% of the words marks out. We will now go into the deeper. Okay, after that, text to text transformer 2020, 11 billion parameter. Then we have the GPT and GPT-2 in 2019, 1.5 billion parameter. Okay, okay, and after that GPT-2 training data. So what the training data that they have been used found that the common crawl has a major data quality issues. So they form the web text database. Okay, they have almost 40 GB of the text data. Okay, and after that GPT-3 comes into the market 2020. Okay, 2020. So this is the data that you can see. Okay, see, 10x larger. GPT-2 is 10x larger, which is 175 billion parameters. So this is all the models. This is all models. You can see the training data of GPT-3. See, Wikipedia 3.4, book, corpus 7.8. Okay, this is another next something else book is there. Okay, so you can see this is the training data of the GPT-3. Common crawl 71.75. Okay, GPT-3 is much larger than 175 billion parameters. Okay, and then GPT-4 in 2023. Now there is one common thing is there, which is you all guys have to be keeping in your mind, which is but GPT-1, GPT-2, GPT-3, GPT-4, T5, all the language large models available in the market that are known as the foundations model. Okay, that is called as the foundation models. Always remember this thing. Now we'll just come to that point as well. See, foundation models are the AI models trained on the huge amount of unlabeled data set that can be used to solve the multiple downstream tasks. Okay, always remember foundation models, all you are seeing that are all the foundation models. Okay, and which is based on the transformer architecture. What that transformer means? So you already know transformer means a deep neural network or deep learning model that we have been used either for computer vision or neural NLP or both. Okay, so they all are the foundation model and based on the transformer. So this is the thing that you all have to just keep in your mind. And one more thing on top of that, they all are the pre-trained. Yeah, Gemini is the same. Yeah, yeah. Bard is the application which is built on the Gemini. Okay, so always make the things very clear whenever you are studying any topic, then makes everything will be clear. See, we'll see how you can do the things. uh See, foundations models list. Okay, images. Oh, Google can be error. That's the very see, models. Okay, so we will see the list. Let me search for you guys. See, here it is. So this is a list. Yeah, example bird. Okay, GPT. Amazon Titan has been built by the Amazon. Okay, Claude, Coher. Okay, everything is the simple and straightforward foundation model that you have to be make sure yourself. Okay, then I will tell you one more thing. Let me open a simple text editor so that will explain you more. So see, the first thing which is foundation models. Okay, GPT. Okay, but GPT version 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, everything. Okay, and after that we have Gemini. Okay, lot of the models are there, and T5 is also there. Okay, but we already mentioned, and Amazon Titan, so etc. These all are the foundation models. Okay, foundation models and pre-trained models that already has been trained on vast amount of data, vast amount of data. Okay, so make sure this thing, and based on transformer, this is also one thing that you all guys have to remember, based on the transformer approach. And what is transformer then? Hey, if you just map this thing, so transformer is deep, just put it, deep learning model. Okay, simple, straightforward, like other models. What the other models? CNN. Okay, RNN. Okay, and LSTM. Hope you like know about it. So this is the things, how the things are connected. Okay, let's connect now this way. Okay, this way. So based on the transformer, they are the foundation models, and foundation models are this. And after this, what is there? There are the applications. Okay, whatever you are currently using, all are application. ChatGPT application, Bard application, on GPT-4. Okay, you are using GPT-4. So this is a of version of chat, or we can say the OpenAI model that has been built by the OpenAI is a company. So that is a version of GPT-3 has been like what we can say, the upgrade version of GPT-3 is a GPT-4 that has the capabilities to talk like in the vision and in the NLP, everything. So this is all about. Okay, and if you go on the Google and search about it, okay, just see what is, just do one thing. Let's go on the uh, chat gpt. Okay, we'll talk with chat gpt today again, so you will make much more sense. See, so this is chat gpt. See, chat gpt versus gpt, give me difference. See, ChatGPT and GPT will not go into. Both are the language model based on the underlying architecture, but they are designed for different purposes and train. Okay, so GPT model name suggests specific fine tune on conventional purpose. GPT is the model, and ChatGPT is the application which is fine tuned for the conventional purposes only. Okay, so you can see this is how the things are. So you should know all these things if you are want to get into the this area or this domain. Okay, so you should know all these things. Got it? Now if we talk about what is the foundation model and give the list of it. Okay, I'm just putting the here. See, foundation models are the large scale pre-trained language model basis of the various NLP tasks and trained on the pre-train of the vast amount of text data can be fine-tuned for the specific NLP task. I hope you can relate whatever we have been like written in the notepad. Okay, so GPT-3, 4, BERT, okay, Robota is there, T5, Electra, GPT Neo. There are a lot of are there. So this is the sequence that you all guys have to know. So I am sharing here. Okay, okay. So this is all about. So just do it one more time. Okay, machine learning was there. After that, deep learning comes into the picture. After that, the CNN, RNN, LSTM come into the picture. Then transformer. On the base of the transformer, large model has been trained on the large amount of data and GPU and system. And after that, what will happen? The applications has been come into the market with the pre-training of the like particular data like NLP. I want to do the NLP task, so they just start doing the pre-training. So this is the way the things has been just come into the picture. Okay, now till now anyone have any doubt, please tell me, otherwise we'll move forward. Okay, looks good. So let's go. Someone say something. Good. Okay, good to go. So see, data is there, training, foundation model, adaptation. What we can do, we can do a lot of things. Key feature, what are the key feature of this foundation model? Pre-train is there, generalized, adaptable, large, self-supervised. Hope everyone know about the self-supervised that we covered in the last video. Okay, now they are the only two types of the foundation model that you guys have to know. Only two types. First is large language model. So large language model are known for the foundation model for the NLP task, natural language processing. And the diffusion models are the models which are used for the computer vision. So foundation models for the computer vision known as diffusion models, and foundation models for the NLP, natural language processing task, is known as a large language model. So you have only the two category in the market, which is large language model, LLM, and diffusion models. Got it? Okay. And see, transfer learning is what makes the foundation model possible, but scale it what makes them the powerful. As we already know, you have to train only the last layer of your network with your use case and you are ready to go. So this is all about the foundation model. Now, the one of the very interesting thing comes into the picture. This foundation models are coming by only two category. Okay, either open source or the closed source. What that means? Open source, that means the communities. Okay, that the communities who are available and just giving you next to next models out there in the market who are just giving you the free of cost. You can directly use it as your own like purposes, and the industry, we are not taking you any money. So that is not at the open source. And the closed source like OpenAI, who are taking you the money, okay, and giving you the access, and on the every API token you can easily use it, okay. So but they are closed. The code has not been given out for the market, for the like open source world. They are very close. So that's why the only two category. Now there are one more category nowadays coming into the market, which is the third party cloud services. What that does mean? That means that AWS. What the AWS is doing? AWS is collecting the open source models into their architect, their infrastructure or the platform, and they are also building their own. The same thing Google is doing. Google also pushing the Google also pushing the open source model, as well as they are also building their application. But you will get only the two types: open source or closed source. Okay, now if you want to use the foundation model, the only two ways are there that you can use: either prompting or fine tuning. There is nothing else like use, and the way that you can use is prompting, that the everyone is doing currently on the chat gpt. You are just giving some prompt and they are just putting you just giving you the specific instruction or the like answer, whatever that you are looking for. And for the fine tuning, if we talk about the fine tuning, then what that does mean: you have to replace the last layer of your neural network with your use case or with your data. So this is the only two ways that you can use. I will take the example here. Let me go into the chat. Some person just give the, I'm using OpenAI something. Yeah, Sumit. Yes, I have been trying hit the token pandas AI I'm trying to use. So Sumit is trying to use OpenAI token and everything. So here Sumit, what the Sumit is doing? Sumit is doing and exploring the foundation model, okay, that has been by OpenAI, which is the ChatGPT 3 or ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT Turbo. There are a lot of out there. I will just explore them as well. Okay, after that they are just giving, he's just giving the prompt, okay, simple prompt. Okay, this is a prompt that like I want to be learn a data science. So what the model is doing, model is giving you the output. So this is one way. But companies, how the companies are using, companies are also they using the same thing, but some other way they are using the found fine tuning as well, okay. So this is another way. Now LLM hallucination. What does that means? So that means that sometimes you will able to get false facts, wrong answer, lies. Okay, that will be the possibility. So that is the one of the like major challenge that everyone is facing currently, because LLM models are not has been know everything. So that's why they have been just putting all this hallucination. Okay, types of hallucination: lies, nonsense, force, source configuration is not there, everything is given. So that is what the this is. Okay, now there's one thing that can be resolved it. What is that? Retrieval augmented generation, which is very much famous in the market, which is RAG. What is RAG? Anyone know about the RAG? Anyone? Anyone? Please. No, RAG is not a vector database. No, vector database is different. RAG is different. Okay, let me complete this RAG. Okay, so here we got a problem. What the problem? That we are getting a irrelevant output. Taking the example, if you will go and ask about particular event that has been like you only know, or your group of the people only know. RAG provide LLM to capabilities to provide the real-time info. Real-time info without RAG also we can able to get it. Okay, it can be, but without RAG also you will able to get the date real-time info. Okay, so I will tell you what the actual like scenario where we have to use the RAG and what is the RAG. Okay, so when you are getting the irrelevant data, in that case what will happen, you have to give the some data as a knowledge. Okay, LLM model, this is a knowledge. See, this is a knowledge that you have to use. Whenever I will talk to you, ask to you, then you have to use that knowledge. Example, if currently I am working on any project. Okay, the ABC is the project, and in that case I want to do a particular, uh, project that can able to give me the answer of all the projects that has been done by me. Okay, so in that condition LLM should not know this thing. Okay, so what will happen, how I can just give them the LLM, either fine tuning or prompting. This is only two ways na, that I can ask them. Okay, so let's go here and I will ask, who is Deepak Chawla? Give me the list of projects he did. Okay, see, I don't have the specific information about the individual who are not currently recognized and public figure. Public figure, as the last knowledge update is January 2022. Okay. Now let's ask this the same question with ChatGPT 4. I have ChatGPT 4. See, ChatGPT 4 can do the search on the like basic data that is available on the internet. So you can see. So this is not the mine data. It is the another Deepak Chawla. There are a lot of Deepak Chawla available in the world. Okay, that's not a big issue. So see, this is a false data. For me, this is false data. Na? Okay, getting my point. This is the false data for me. Now, now I don't want to do this. My use case is very different. My company's data is very different. Okay, if I just go and search about like particular my company. Okay, so the internet don't have the that level of the data, that level of the knowledge about my company, then in that case how LLM will be useful for me. So in that condition RAG will be come into the picture. What he will suggest and tell you that you can give me the knowledge. What knowledge? Put whatever the data that you have relevant your use case into the particular document, CSV, whatever works for you, just put it into in the particular format, and whenever the public will ask me the question, then I will take the help from your document. Getting my point? So this is the way that it works. See, the significant concern lies in the occasional presentation. So I think that's you will not able to get it. So just go on the Google. Okay, RAG in LLM. See, RAG allows to LLM present the accurate information with the source attribution. The output can include the citation or reference to the sources. Okay, then aims to improve the prediction quality by using the external data store at the inference time to build a richer prompt that includes some combination of prompt history and the recent and relevant knowledge. So this is all about the RAG that will give you the particular data, okay, that you are looking for it, okay, that you are looking for it, particular data. So with the help of the RAG that you can do it. Got it? Anyone have any doubt? Because it is very important concept, so you should please make sure that you should be understand it. Everyone clear? Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so why do we need the RAG? So that's the another question. So we have to tackle the challenge faced by the LLM like GPT. Although LLM can generate the text well, they sometimes struggle to give response that fit the context, limiting their usefulness. RAG is designed to fill this gap by providing a solution that's great at understanding what user mean and giving the thoughtful and context aware answer. So this is the way that we need it. Why? Again, I'm telling why we need it. We need to give the particular and specific answer. Take an example of any like report. Okay, just you have been create a report and you want that on the basis of that report you give the answer, or you have to ask the answer, you have to ask the question and that will give the answer. Then how it will be happen? It will happen with the help of the RAG. You can implement the RAG. Okay, how you will implement that we will explore soon, but you will implement the RAG, or you will collect the knowledge graph into the particular document, and after data has been available in the document, then whenever the user will ask the question, that answer will be coming out of from the RAG. Okay, so that is about it is benefits: enhance the LLM memory, improve it, contextuality, okay, update memory source, reduce hallucination. So all this are there. Okay, so this is a one very cool graph is there. Okay, so if you need model adaptation requirement and external knowledge, if you need the high external knowledge, then you have to go for the RAG. If you need the model adaptation required, like behavior is very much common, like talking to a people is very much common to everywhere, so in that case you need a fine tuning. But when you need the fine tuning plus RAG, when, see, at this angle you can see, or this angle, high and low, or low, this low and medium, and high and medium. So this is about it is. Now how to build RAG based Gen AI application? Now you have been save your old data into the PDF file, but now just remember what we have been seen in the 1 second. RAG supports only text or image or CSV. RAG supports anything. Okay, RAG is the approach. Always remember, guys, RAG is an approach, is a mathematical approach, or what we can say any like kind of the uh, solution has been provided by the like industries. So it is an approach. Now it's depend on us what the format and what the use case that you have. Take an example that you have the use case of the text, then doesn't matter na, the end result what you have to do. Hope you remember in the previous class we see computer only understand numbers. So in that case what will happen, if your use case is belong to text, then you have to convert the text into the number. If it belongs to image, then you have to convert the image into the numbers. If your data or the RAG, if your data is on CSV, then you have to convert the numbers. So this doesn't matter for the machine, because machine wants number. If you can able to give numbers, then it can support everything. Piyush, hope your answers resolve. Thank you. Okay, so now there are two ways. What are the two ways? Like once you will have the data in your PDF, and after that what will happen, you save the data. Now you have to convert it na. So for the converting the data, so you have to store that data, then only you will able to retrieve the answer from your database. But nowadays the database available in the market, which is the PostSQL, MySQL, this is a database which is save the data into the text format, okay, language format, numbers, not saving the every data into the matrix format. So that's why they are the two database are there, vector database and knowledge graph. You will like heard about the vector database, but I bet you few, like most of them don't know about the knowledge graph. So vector database is there, you have to convert the everything and put into the vector database, either vector or knowledge graph. And apart from your use case, sorry, like on the basis of your use case, you can make the architecture of your GenAI application. Now see how GenAI work with the advanced prompting. Source data is there. I will do the tokenization, then vector embedding. Tokenization means I will divide the every sentence into the token. Then vector embedding is there. Then I will save into the vector DB. Okay. Then whenever the prompt is coming, okay, I am user giving the prompt. Prompt is to the search. Then I will search the particular data with the use of the cosine similarity in the vector DB. Then I got the context. Okay, that memory will be there. Then prompt plus enhanced context from where I get, from the vector DB I get, and then I will give to the LLM, then LLM will give me the answer. So this is the way it will work. I think everyone got to know how the things are working. Now, Piyush, here in the source data, you can put either text, image, CSV, audio, video, anything you can do it. Anything. It's totally depend on you. You have to know how to store it. You have to know how to search it. Whenever the prompt will come, the first prompt will go into your vector DB and search the relevant data. Is it available in the DB or not? Then it is available. With the help of the cosine similarity formula, it will come out the some data and put into the particular variable or where the we are want to be. Then with the combination of prompt and your data, we will send this as a combination to the LLM model, and then LLM model will respond. Now take an example. If I directly give data to the this LLM, then it will not work. Now I will give you the live example of RAG. Okay, screen visible here. Now we'll create this thing. Okay, let's do, yeah, here. So we ask the question. Okay, who is Deepak Chawla? Okay, this is a prompt. Consider this is a prompt. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't know about this one. Got it? Now I will use RAG here. How? See. Mm, Caution. Okay. Caution. Who is Deepak Chawla? Let's start with this, something like this. About Deepak Chawla. Okay. So let me search. 1 second, guys. Sorry. I have to shift you another thing. I think I had been try on this. 1 second. Yeah, I have the data. I have the data. Yeah, here it is. Yeah. Yeah. So see, here's the basic information of Deepak Chawla, data scientist, mentor, GenAI expert from Bhilwara, living in Bangalore, having a community, helping students for assisting a job. Please note it. Okay. So this data I have been given. Now see, thank you for providing. Okay. Now ask, who is Deepak Chawla? Again, he's not able to answer it. Can anyone tell me why it's happening? I gave the details about me. Again, it's not able to give me the answer. Anyone can?
Can we unmute?
Okay, no one.
The LLM does not have the data about Deepak Chawla, and it is only querying to the LLM.
Still, research is global rather than your data. Yeah, totally agree. Totally agree. Okay. Now, let's see how we can do it. Okay. Now, what I will do, here is the data. I will put. This is the data about Deepak Chawla. Okay. And now, question. Who is Deepak Chawla? Now I am giving, understand, I am giving the data as well as the question in a single prompt. Now see, appears to be the data science and lives in the Bangalore. See, now what I will do, I will format this query as well. From where Deepak Chawla is. See, from Bilwara. Now they are able to give me the answer. So same thing can be applied everywhere. And currently where he is living. See. So this is your rack. This is your prompt. So this is known as the rack. Now tell me, how many people understood? Okay, okay, okay. Nikita, Sukanya, Arya, Sumit, Yajendra. अरे क्या बात है, क्या बात है, सबको समझ में आ गया. That's good, yeah. Very good. Got it? Everyone got it? So this is a rack, buddy. This is a rack. Now you don't have to worry about it. Why? Because you have your data, you have your prompt. Simple, straightforward. Put your data into the vector database. Okay. Let's go on to this diagram. Okay. I will give you the one more thing. Okay. Like this. RAG in LLMs. Why it's happening here? 1 second. Google is not working. It's very strange. Yeah, one shot prompting we will come on that part as well. Okay, don't worry. So this is all about the rank. Okay, now we'll see. Tech stack doesn't matter for now. Okay, we'll see sooner. Now let's come to the prompting part. Okay, so so this is not be valuable like, yeah, few shot versus zero shot. Okay, so let's see what is the zero shot. First of all, zero shot means you give the task description. See in the bottom, you give the task description and then you directly give the prompt. So this is a zero shot. You don't give any training. Okay, one thing. Second thing, few shot. Okay, you give the bunch of the examples and task and prompt. So this is a few shot. And now one shot. One shot, you have to give only the single example. So that is known as the one shot. Now, question of who is that guy? Deep. How it is different from the one-shot learning? In one-shot learning, you will give only the one example. On the basis of that example, how how much accuracy that you can just take it. Okay, or you will achieve it. Take an example here. What we will do, we'll do the one shot learning. Okay, with the new tab. Okay, not in this tab because it have the previous data, that's why. So basic details and one shot is there. Gene expert, nothing else we are going to give, nothing else. Okay, this is a one example only. Okay, see, got it, Deep, Shikhar? So this is how it's work. If now I will increase the example. Okay, now I will increase the example and it will start giving you the data. Okay, living from the Bilwara. From the Bilwara. Again, see, I'm, see, nothing is there. Now, living in Bangalore. See, as my last update in the knowledge, Deepak Chawla was living in Bangalore. Now they are able to, it is able to giving the answer. So this is how the things are working. Got it? I know this is not a proper example of the few shot. We need a more detail, but yeah, it is a like thing that we have to be know about it. Okay, so this is the things how this is how the things are working. Okay, now self-supervised, you already know about all these things. Chat GPT is there. Okay, GPT and everything is there. I don't think. Mm, Let me see. Is there any PPT consists anything? No, nothing is there. Now, if we talk about the uh, tech stack, okay, so there is a very simple tech stack there. For programming language, Python. Framework, I will refer GenAI stack. Okay, either GenAI stack you can use. Okay, it is by the AI Planet. Okay, and or LangChain. Database totally depend on the like what the use case that you have. It can be knowledge graph or it can be vector DB. Prompting will be there. Prompting version, like you should be know about the versions of the prompts. So I will tell you how you will able to know, because every time you will get a different answer. So in that case, what you will do? Okay, you should know the proper prompt, now best prompt. Currently what happening in the market, you should know your best prompt. So to get the know about your best prompt is one of the challenge thing. So that's why there are a lot of things comes into the market, which is, this is a sentence, okay, this is a model, this is a prompter, this is a pipeline, then output is here. See, this is output. What is the question? The patient is a 93-year-old female with a medical history of the chronic right hip pain, blah 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 blah. I don't know about the much doctory evolution management. ठीक है. Okay, now the question. uh this is sentence. Where is the question, buddy? Select the prompt. Okay, near ninja. Okay, no issue. Let's see. This is the output after fitting. Okay, there has been fitted this, and after that you can see this one image. Okay, see. So this is has been divided into this. Now you will able to see which prompt is best, which prompt is good for your use case. Okay, we'll see the like practical scenarios as well on this one. Okay, in the like latest one. So you should know the prompt versioning. So if you just go prompt version GitHub, that's simple, straightforward. Okay, so in that case, uh thing, let's go prompt versioning. Yeah, specific elegant. Yeah, here it is. See, we must balance the, so there are a lot of things has been done in the market, so we will do everything, we will do. Okay, now see, tools for testing the prompts done by the OpenAI itself. See, here it is. See, I have been working on the prompts for some time now. We are building a summarization feature to achieve the required accuracy. We have tried the multiple variation of same prompt. However, the testing process has been cumbersome. We have been directly calling API to test it out, sharing the prompts via the GitHub file. Is there any tool that maintain the version? Okay, so see, a lot of the tools out of there that can help you to build your prompt with the proper answers. Okay, so soon we will have a look on that, so it will be helpful to you and manage it. See how the people are using it. CRI library for evaluating prompt foo. Prompt foo is there. That's nice. I also heard about today as well. Prompt foo is there. So let's open prompt foo. So iterate on LLM faster. Okay, how it's work? Create a data set, set up the evaluation metrics, set the best prompt and model. It will do the remaining thing. See, oh, that's very nice. See how nicely you can do your name, your question, your outputs, and it will automatically do the rest of the thing. That's good. See, check how it's doing. Everything is there. You don't have to do anything. Rest of the things have been done by the tool itself. Okay, so you should know all these things, otherwise you will not able to build a good GenAI application. Okay, so you should know, and that will be the your interview answers, interview questions. Okay, okay, so this is all about. Now from tomorrow we'll try to do a simple basic application of GenAI. Okay, and yeah, this is all about. Now if anyone have any question, please go ahead in a chat. I'm here to give you the answer, and hope everyone understood it. please give me the number, like how many, like out of 5, what number that you have been given the understanding, that how much you understand out of 5. In the chat you can give. Okay, 4.8. Oh, that's nice. Good, Piyush. Well, tomorrow we are going to do the, yeah, 4.9. Okay, I have to improve myself. Okay. Anyone else? No, only out of 11, only 2. Piyush, 4.8 done. Okay, your rating will be 5. Okay. Okay, thanks. Piyush done. Deep Shikar, Gajendra, Pramod, Mukku, Sumit, Nikita, Mukku, Nikita 4.5. That's great. If it is more than 4, then it's very much good. I am 3. Okay, Sumit, then you have to just start learning more about the topics. After completing this, you should learn about it. And sorry, guys, yesterday, due to some technical issue, the recording, oh, Deepshikar 4.99. That's great. So, due to some technical issue, we are not able to upload the upload the video. So today we'll try again, and we'll try to give you the both videos, okay, till tomorrow. And by the way, we are going to do the application tomorrow. Live application will build, something will build. Okay, so okay, guys, best of luck. Yeah, I will share the document PPT. Yeah, definitely I will share. I can share the PPT right away. You guys can have a look. For document, it will be take some time. I have to just make some changes. Okay. So here the document you can see. Okay, and one more thing is there. Prompt foo is there. So have a look on prompt foo. That's a good one. Okay. Yeah. Okay then. Bye guys. See you tomorrow. Bye. Take care.